12 4K dash cam wireless CarPlay, Android Auto ADAS car, DVR, 5G Wi-Fi GPS, FM 24H parking monitor, rearview mirror camera recorder equipped with powerful 4-core chip. This is a top-class 4-core chip. 14nm, 2T computing power. It can start up quickly in 3 seconds, under the video recording of the 4K front camera, and 1080p rear camera. The whole operating system is very smooth, without delay. The boot speed of other models with the same configuration on the market is more than 10 seconds, because they use a single core chip. With dual lens front camera 4K 2160p plus rear camera 1080p 10.26, IPS touchscreen 135 degrees wide angle. Up to 8 million pixels to achieve true 3840 2160p 4K UHD resolution, which can help us capture license plates, road signs, and other critical details on the road. If you don't choose rear camera, it is single lens. Adopt upgraded H265 video code. Compared with H264 video code, H265 has better image quality and use less storage. SPACE reduce by more than 30%. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto plus wired Android Auto. The product connects wireless CarPlay and Android Auto via Bluetooth, then it will automatically switch to Wi-Fi for data transmission. Then you can use GPS navigation, make a call, receive and dispatch messages, listen to music, etc. Support Android 10 or above mobile phone, not include Huawei mobile phone. FM transmission, built-in dual-channel FM transmitter. Just pair it with your car once, then it can be connected automatically, which can help you enjoy stereo car sound quality. With 5G HC high-speed Wi-Fi equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, it can be connected to a mobile phone. You can preview real-time images to view historical records and quickly download pictures. With the latest 5G Hz technology, the video transmission speed will be faster and smoother than the traditional 2.4 GHz. Real-time reverse view support 1080p full-screen reverse image, and with guideline. When reversing, the system will automatically turn on the high-definition reversing camera at the rear of the car and clearly display the state of the rear of the car on the reverse IPS screen, so that you can accurately grasp the road conditions at the rear. The preview angle can be adjusted by sliding the left side of the screen to control the position of the guideline. With 24H parking monitoring, 24H parking cable allows you to connect dash cam to a vehicle battery source. Get constant power supply from the battery directly, so your car DVR will keep work even when ignition is off. Additional purchase of hardware cable is required.